bit larger, you have to make sure that for the label options you change that to 30. And if I make that bigger, you notice that it's getting bigger, but that's way too big, so I'm going to just put that at 30. And you can kind of play with this different color shades. So you're changing things, you're going to notice that it's also changing on this end as well. And it shows them the quantity at the very bottom there. So that looks good. Let's go over to save and close. Okay, so now we have the products, the featured products section, and next we just have to incorporate it with the page builder. So this is the ID 8. So let's go back over to SP page builder, and we're going to click here, add new row. We want to make this one 1, and let's add a text, and we're just going to delete all this. And for forms, ID equal 8, I believe it was 8. Let's double check. Yep, that's the 8. And let's click on save. So now we're going to take a look on the front end to see what we've got going on. So just click on save here. So this is what we had before. Let's refresh it and see how it looks now. So now it looks like this. A very straightforward, very clean one-page shopping cart that people can be able to order, and this is going to save you a lot of time and it'll save you a lot of money. But it's very simple. So when someone checks there, it's going to add it to the cart. If they want something for music, check one for music, it adds you there. If they want something for the women, add it there. If they want something for that, and they just continue to add it on, and then they can be able to click submit to process their order. So you can kind of pretty much, let's say if you wanted to change the background there, let's go over here and want to change the shape. You can test out different shapes and see which shape that you like better. Let's try this pointer wave. So I'm going to choose that, click apply, and I change just the top for it. Okay, you can change it to that. Let's go back and choose something else. And the goal here is you just want to keep changing it until you find something that works for what you're going for. Maybe you're going for a certain look. And you can also change the colors for this as well. So if you like something that looks like that, then that'll work. Hey, that's great. You know, so let's go back here and just keep playing with it. And go back to style. So just go ahead and play with it and see what you come up with. There's no right or wrong way of doing this. This pretty much just based on the style that you're going for. So I went ahead and did some changes to the style in here, and this is what I came up with, and I just like how this looks. But once again, you're free to change it however you want it to be. So when someone clicks on each one here, it's going to take them to their respective categories, or they can just click on the very top menu. This is designed to be something like a really basic setup, but also real professional, because there are times when maybe you have a few products that you want to sell and you don't want to build this massive shopping cart that requires so much tech knowledge and, you know, time to maintain and edit and tweak, and you're looking for something that's really basic and, you know, easy to set up, but also looks real professional. This is what you have here. So this is really great. Your shopping cart is ready and set to go, and you can, you know, share with the world. So once you're done doing everything, I would love to see what you come up with. Maybe you came up with a different design, or you added different products, but that's something I would really love to see what you've come up with. So thanks for taking this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I will see you in the next course.